In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Analytics in Google Sites. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to paste, and how to make sure your site is set up to start capturing visitor data the right way. Before we begin, make sure you already have a Google Analytics property and its identifier handy. For older Universal Analytics properties, that number starts with UA. For Google Analytics 4, which is the current standard, it starts with G. This is often called the measurement ID. You'll paste that into Google Sites in just a moment. Start by opening your site in Google Sites. You want to be in the site editor, not just viewing a public page so you can access the settings. Once your site is open, look to the top right of the editor for the gear icon. That's the settings menu. Click it, then choose Analytics. This opens a dedicated area where Google Sites lets you connect your analytics property without adding any code manually. In the Analytics field, enter your Google Analytics identifier exactly as it appears in your Analytics account. If you're using Google Analytics 4, paste the measurement ID that begins with GA. If you still have a Universal Analytics ID that begins with UAA, you can enter that, but keep in mind GA4 is the recommended standard for ongoing reporting. Either way, double check for typos, extra spaces, or missing characters. Copy and paste directly from your Analytics property to avoid mistakes. After you've entered the ID, click Save. That's it for the connection. Google Sites will automatically add the necessary tracking to your site. You don't need to insert any additional code or scripts. Data typically begins appearing in Google Analytics within a few minutes, though it can take up to 24 hours for full reporting to populate. For a quick confirmation, use the real-time report in Google Analytics and visit your site in a regular browser tab. Note that preview mode in the editor may not trigger tracking, so check the live version of your site. If you don't see data right away, verify you used the correct property ID, ensure there aren't ad blockers in your browser, and confirm that you pasted only one ID. Also remember that Analytics might filter out certain traffic, and privacy or consent banners can affect when tracking starts. And that's all you need to connect Google Analytics in Google Sites. With your ID saved, your site is ready to collect insights that help you understand your audience and make better decisions.